Welcome everyone to our discussion on a groundbreaking discovery in cancer research. Scientists have found a way to permanently switch off cancer-driving genes, especially in aggressive leukemias. It's
Yep,
really innovative work, right?
absolutely. So, can you explain how they're managing this gene switch off?
Sure. The teams, including researchers from Monash and Harvard, are targeting key epigenetic proteins, specifically Menin and DOT1L, that control gene activity.
Right.
They essentially disrupt the cell's instruction manual, which normally tells cancer genes to stay on.
That's like, flipping a switch on a faulty circuit, isn't it?
Exactly, it's like um, erasing the cell's memory, so to say. The drugs they use permanently silence these genes, even after treatment has stopped. And
Yep.
that could mean, if it pans out well, shorter and gentler treatment courses for patients.
So, instead of the long toxic treatments, this approach might allow for like burst treatments that last a shorter duration?
That's right. By targeting those specific proteins, the cancer cells effectively lose their capacity to continuously drive the malignant process. It's a big step in making treatments more sustainable, both health-wise and in reducing the harsh side effects.
And I gather that the research delves into something they call the cellular memory effect of DOT1L, correct?
Yes, exactly. It's like DOT1L helps keep the cancer cells remember how to drive their growth. When the drugs target menin and erase that memory, the cells can't reinitiate the cancer programs.
Yeah.
It's a clever twist on epigenetics.
Now, while this sounds promising, don't some critics point out that the specificity of this approach might limit its application?
That's a fair point. Indeed, the research is focused on certain aggressive cases of acute leukemia. There are concerns about how broadly it can apply, but the team sees this as a proof of concept that could evolve further.
I guess it's kind of like testing a new engine in a specific car model before you go full scale.
Exactly. It's still early days. Plus, they're already planning clinical trials in collaboration with the Alfred later this year.
Right.
That could help determine safety and efficacy in a real-world setting.
And what about side effects or the potential for, say, unexpected gene silencing that might affect normal cells?
Good question. The research suggests that targeting these epigenetic proteins, though a bit like a finely tuned scalpel, does risk unintended consequences. However, the hope is that by using this method, doctors could reduce treatment duration and mitigate severe side effects typically seen with prolonged therapies.
Yeah.
It's a delicate balance indeed.
There's also the chatter about big pharma potentially stifling such advances for profit motives. What's your take on that?
That's a valid concern raised by the community. Some worry that high costs and patent strategies could limit patient access, even if the therapy works wonders.
Yep.
It's something that needs oversight and transparency as the research moves into trials.
It really sounds like a delicate yet exciting step forward in both epigenetics and cancer therapy.
Absolutely. This approach not only changes how we think about turning off cancer, but also could reshape treatment protocols, moving us toward personalized and less burdensome cancer care.
Yeah, indeed. Well, thanks for this illuminating dive into what might be a new chapter in cancer treatment. I'm excited to see where this leads.